Welcome, day 12 here at Vero Beach. Have a full padded practice this morning. Really looking to get after a little bit on our last day here. We are 17 days away from our opening game at Notre Dame on September 3rd. We've had a great experience here. The people here at Vero Beach have been great. It's been a great experience for our players, for our coaches. It's been a great team building experience, and I think we've gotten an awful lot better as a football team. So we appreciate everybody joining us. We look forward to seeing you back in Tampa tomorrow. Go Bulls.